I was literally walking around Attleborough and I came across another one of the builds that they were doing, and I noticed the sign outside the house, and I looked them up on the internet when I got home. We were considering a number of different companies, but we had the surveyor come out, and we just had a real good feeling about the company from the surveyor, that they were listening to what we wanted, they understood what we needed. So I'll be honest, we pressed the button and we cancelled the other surveyor.
When they did the internals of the roof, they took into consideration what we wanted, and we've got a fantastic smooth roof rather than a pyramid.
Throughout the project, they just seemed to care about what we wanted, and they were keen to deliver and be flexible throughout. So I think if I was talking to someone and they were asking us about who to have on a similar project, I'd have no hesitation in suggesting Habify. They just literally cared throughout. They were conscious about what we needed, and the fitters were absolutely outstanding. Very good. I mean, we've had dealings with the people in the office like Rebecca and Hugo, and again, you know, where we've needed to follow up on something or have something looked at, they've been immediately on it, and we've had a member of the team back out, because like all these things, there's some adjustment that's needed. They didn't build the original conservatory, so they have to work around things as they found them, but a great company to deal with. We started off with a conservatory which was pretty much unusable. We've ended up with an extension that is incredibly usable. We've been through 32 degrees recently and the room was still usable, whereas in the previous period we'd have seen this conservatory hit temperatures of 120 degrees and you physically couldn't be in it. So a massive change, and we searched around to find out if someone could answer that question: does a solid roof make a difference to living with a conservatory? And I can promise you it does.